Hello, thank you for watching this training video. Today we are going to look at the digital ad flow. First, we will begin by visiting GCS. Type gcs.thech.ca into the address bar and press enter. If you use this site regularly, you can add it as a bookmark to make future access more convenient. Now let's take a look at the digital ad flow. Click Docs and Info and select Digital Ad Flow. This document illustrates what happens after a digital campaign sale is finalized. First, the sales rep submits a booking request form through GCS. Once AdOps receives the booking request, it will book the order in CCI and reply with an order ID. After receiving the order ID, the next steps will depend on if the creative needs to be created in-house or if the client is supplying the creative. If the client is submitting the creative, the sales rep simply forwards it to digitalads@herald.ca. Be sure to reference the booking ID in the subject line and email. AdOps will then flight check the creative. This means we are checking to make sure the ad meets online advertising standards. Once approved, AdOps uploads the creative to GCS. If the client requires a creative be built in-house by one of our designers, the sales rep needs to submit a creative request form. A creative request form is designed to start the process for the creative portion of the campaign. Once the sales rep completes the form, ad production will assign a designer to the request and begin designing the ad. Once the ad is complete, the designer uploads the creative to GCS. When the designer uploads it, an email is sent to the sales rep with the attachment creative or a link to view the ad. The sales rep is then responsible for reviewing the creative and getting client approval. If a preview page is required, there is an option to request one when submitting the creative request form. Any changes or corrections to the creative must be forwarded to corrections@herald.ca. Make sure to copy digitalads@herald.ca as well. The corrections will go back to the designer, and once the changes are made, the ad is resent to the sales rep. When creative is approved, the sales rep must notify AdOps by email to digitalads@herald.ca. After the approval is received, the AdOps team can set up the campaign and release the order. AdOps sets up the campaign in the ad server, and the order is set to normal and released in CCI. Accounting can then invoice the client for the digital campaign. As the campaign runs, the sales rep will receive weekly and end-of-campaign reports to track the progress of the campaign. Please see the reporting video for more information on how to pull the most valuable information from these reports. And that's the overview of the digital ad process. As always, if you have any questions or feedback, please email digitalads@herald.ca. Thanks for watching.